Hey, Minecraft fans. Welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to make one-way glass in Minecraft. Perfect for hidden bases, secret spy rooms, or just an awesome build trick. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if this helps you out. Let's get right into it. First, grab an empty map and right-click it to activate it in the area where you want your one-way view. Now, explore and uncover the entire map by walking around. You want this map to display a clear, full area. Once the map is ready, next make sure cheats are enabled. Press T to open the chat, and paste the following command. You'll also find it in the description. This gives you an invisible item frame, the secret ingredient for the one-way glass trick. Choose a spot for your one-way glass. Place a glass block as your window. Now place the invisible item frame directly on that glass block. Insert the locked map into the frame. From the front, it looks just like a regular block, like part of the wall. But from behind the glass, you can see right through it, like a window. And there you go, one-way glass in Minecraft without mods. It's an awesome trick to use in survival or creative mode for secret rooms or security builds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more fast Minecraft tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.